I want to personally thank the President of the Philippines as well as DOH for their continuing support in this program. This program is what the Filipinos need and deserve in order for them to have access to quality healthcare, which is their God-given right. Fulfilling kasi you get to see people na parang, "Hay, salamat, may doktor na din." Not just to the patients, but also to the healthcare personnel na kasi yung iba pupunta pa sa Katbalogan, yung parang tumataas na yung mga costs. So at least ngayon, may doktor na pwedeng mga basic lang ba ng mga sakit-sakit, naagapan agad. And I want to personally thank the President of the Philippines as well as DOH for their continuing support in this program. This program is what the Filipinos need and deserve in order for them to have access to quality healthcare, which is their God-given right.
Yung pumasok ako na med school, narinig ko yung about sa DOH scholarship. Tapos that time, sabi nila, pwede kang maging Doctors to the Barrio kapag part ka ng DOH Scholar. So sabi ko, yun lang po yung tanging dahilan kung bakit ako nag-join ng DOH Scholar. Dahil gusto ko talaga maging Doctors to the Barrio. Yung sa journey ko po, pinili ko yung isla. Gusto kong mag-serve sa island, sa malayo sa bahay namin. Actually, yung Looc Occidental Mindoro is mga 12 hours away from saan ako nakatira. Sabi ko naman sa mama ko na magdo-doktor ako, gusto ko talagang mag-serve sa community kasi kami na lang po ng mama ko yung andito sa Pilipinas. So sabi ko sa kanya, ma, pipiliin ko tong island kasi gusto ko mag-serve dito. Pero ingatan mo din yung sarili mo. Pero parang yung pakiramdam po is parang, syempre malayo ka sa magulang mo, ganun sa mama mo. Pero at the same time, nag-serve ka ng ibang tao. Nakakataba ng puso. Pero at the same time, yung pakiramdam na ibang tao yung sinaserve ko. Pero para naman sa bayan yung pagsaserve po sa community. Ang masasabi ko po sa atin pong gobyerno, nandito po kami, kasama ko po yung mga fellow doctors to the barrio na handang magsilbi po sa ating bayan. Nawa ay kami din ay tulungan po nila na na mas lalong maipatibay or maipa-promote yung health sa ating community. Kasi I think sa community nagsisimula lahat. Kung mas healthy ang community, mas konti ang mga may sakit, mas healthy rin yung ating bansang Pilipinas.
So, maraming salamat po sa pagpapatupad ng doctorless na area sa buong Pilipinas. Kasi makakatulong yun sa mga Pilipino, sa mga normal na Pilipino na nahihirapan pumunta sa malalayong lugar para mag-access ng mga serbisyong pang-medical. At sana'y patuloy pa rin suportahan yung kalusugan, hindi lang na individual, kundi ng buong populasyon.
It is an honor for me to stand before the Doctors to the Barrios batch number 43. Kayo ang ilan sa pinakamahusay, matyaga at may malasakit na manggagamot ng ating bansa. But today marks the beginning of another path that requires not just clinical skill, but presence, patience, and purpose. You will go where the needs are greatest, where systems are still beginning only now to catch up, where every decision that you make carries real weight and makes a real difference in people's lives. Since the establishment of the Doctors to the Barrios program in 1993, this program has deployed 2,993 physicians across the country. Through the sustained implementation of this program, we have reached a historic milestone of 0 doctorless municipalities nationwide in 2025. Today also marks a significant achievement because now we have before us the largest single deployment in the program's history. Batch 43 is composed of 290 physicians. We continue to strengthen the National Health Workforce Support System. We will invest in your training, in your safety, and your well-being so that you might be able to continue to serve with excellence, to heal with care, and to lead with compassion. Dalhin ninyo nawa ang husay, dangal at tapang ng isang Pilipinong manggagamot saan man kayo magpupunta. Sa bawat Pilipinong maaabot ng serbisyong pangkalusugan at sa bawat pamilya, hindi na mangangamba tuwing may karamdaman, dito natin unti-unting hinuhubog ang bagong Pilipinas. Mas malusog ang pamumuhay at mas handa para sa kinabukasan.